My name is Christopher Kim, and I'm going to be doing Wildlog 4th grade worksheet lesson 1. And so today what we will be doing is addition. So we're going to be finding the sum, and we're going to be doing subtracting. So we're going to be finding the difference, and what we're going to be doing is multiplication and finding the product, and some more problems. So to start off, let's find the sum first. So let's do 64 plus 20. 64 plus 20, that's 84. And 84 plus 30, let's think about that. 84 plus 30. So that'll be 4. 8 plus 3, 11. So there we go. It would be 114 as our answer. Let's take a look at number 2. 40 plus 10 plus 51. 40 plus 10, that's 50. 50 plus 51, that'll be 101. And let's skip to number 4. 93 plus 20. Well, let's start off with the easy one. 20 plus 30, that's 50. So now let's do 93 plus 50. So 3 would be here. 9 plus 5, that's 14. So it would be 143. Moving on, let's do 6. 69 plus 10, let's start off with the easy one. 79. 82 plus 79. So basically 2 plus 9, 11. 8 plus 2, 10, and then that'll be add a 1 here, so it would be 111. Let's do 8, 34 plus 67 plus 18, so let's do the easy one again. So I think 34 plus 18 would be the easiest. So that'd be 12, 52. So then we're going to do 52 plus 67, so 2 plus 7, that's 9, 5 plus 6, that's 11, so that's going to be 119. And then lastly, number 10, 31 plus 20, that's going to be 51. And then 51 plus 98, 9, 4, and it's going to be 149 as our answer. Let's do subtracting. So 800 minus 320. So that seems pretty easy. So basically what you're going to be doing is this. So 0, 0, 0. So we're going to move this, and then that's going to be a 10. So 10 plus 2, that's 8. And 7 plus 3, that's going to be 4, so it's going to be 480. Moving on, let's do 3. 780 minus 210. So 780 minus 210. So that's going to be 0, 0. That's going to be 7. 7 minus 2, that's going to be 510. So number 3 is going to be 510. Now, question 5, 260 minus 230, so that's going to be over here, 0, 0, 6 minus 3, 30, and then 2 minus 2, that's 0, so it's going to be 30 for number 5. Number 7, 620 minus 310, so this one seems pretty easy too, 0, 0, 1, and 3, so it's going to be 310. And then lastly, let's do 9, 770 minus 230, 0, 0, 4, 3, and that's going to be 340 as our answer. So let's do multiplication now. So 3 times 30. So let's not think of it as 3 times 30. Let's do 3 times 3. That's 9. So now we're just going to add the 0, and that's going to be 90. Let's move on to number 3. Again, let's not look at the 0. Let's do 2 times 2. That's 4. And then add the 0, and that's going to be 40. Let's do 5. 6 times 7. So this one, 6 times 70. So again, we're going to do 6 times 7. What is that? 42. And then let's add the 0. And number 7, 6 times 3, that's 18. And add the 0 again. And 9, same thing. 9 times 2, 18, and add the 0. Okay, let's do some word problems. So starting off, let's do 1. Lucas and Sam had 60 cookies. So they had 60 cookies, and they decided to share them equally. So we know that there's Lucas, Nicholas, and Sam, and basically that's 3 people. So that means we're going to do 60 divided by 3 because they decided to share them equally. So 60 divided by 3, so let's think of that. 60 divided by 3, that would be 20. And we could prove this by doing 20 times 3, that's going to be 60. So it's going to be 20 cookies each. And number 3, Carl has 435 robots in his room. There are 279 robots in the living room. How many more robots are there in the living room? So there are 279 in the living. There are 279 robots in the living. Okay, so Carl had 435 robots in his room. There's 275 robots in the living room. How many more robots are in his room than in his living room? So we're just going to be subtracting because it says how many more. So that's going to be 435 minus 279. So again, cancel that, 2, 15, that's going to be 6, cancel that, 3, and then that's going to be 12, 12 minus 5, 7, 5, 3, so it's going to be 156 more robots. And there you guys have it.